Hi, today we're working on the rim from that little tractor that we had discussed earlier. We removed them all because they were leaking, especially the rear wheels, because they did have fluid in it, and fluid totally destroys steel in a matter of time. So we had to hire someone to remove the tires. Now we're going to totally sand them down, prime them, and paint them, and remount them again without fluid this time.
Give us a call at Highland Hill Farm for your trees and shrubs. 215-651-8329. We ship from Fountainville, PA, Milan, PA, Lenoir, North Carolina, and McMinnville, Tennessee. Thank you.